Blueprint Planning. Step 1. Create the blueprint. The blueprint profile. As an enterprise grows, through global expansion or M&A for example, it will be setting up new organizational units or adapting existing ones to a set of standards. Conventional procedures for standardization commonly start at the technology level, yet modern enterprises realize that IT strategy definition must reflect business requirements as well as technology compliance. A blueprint in planningIT is a template to reference when setting up the IT for optimal support of the business. It will generally refer to a specific type of organizational unit, for example, a type of manufacturing plant or a sales organization. The Master Plan Map. As a starting point for creating a blueprint, a planningIT user will generally reference the existing IT support for particular business areas. planningIT documents IT support in master plan maps. A master plan map is an extract of the enterprise's master plan, which contains all IT support for all of the enterprise. The master plan map pertains to a specific organizational unit or domain of the enterprise. A master plan map displays the processes, organizations, and supporting IT, for example, applications, for that organizational unit. Blueprint processes and organizations. Since blueprints will usually adopt the general processes, organizations, and business supports of a reference organizational unit, and to make blueprint creation as easy as possible, planningIT provides functionality to simply transfer objects from an existing master plan map to a new blueprint map. Using the functions circled on the right, the user can easily add processes, the objects on the x-axis, organizations, the objects on the y-axis, and IT support from other master plan maps. The user can also add objects to the blueprint that aren't in the enterprise's master plan. These objects can be used as placeholders for business processes, organizations, and IT support, for example, applications, which need an individual location-dependent solution. The object selector. Here we see how the user chooses from which master plan map the objects to be copied into the blueprint should be taken. Step 2. Define IT support for a new organization from a blueprint. The Master Plan Map. Once blueprints have been created as reference templates, they are available for use to set up new organizational units. Using the same copying process as for creating blueprints, the user can create new master plan maps from blueprints. These can then be adapted to local requirements. The blueprint provides a guideline and acknowledges the need to leverage local experience and existing capabilities. Here, business supports from the trading blueprint are being copied into the NB Trading Master Plan Map for a new organization. Implementation. The new Master Plan Map for NB Trading is now the plan for setting up the IT necessary to support the trading business. The next step is to begin planning the implementation of Unified Trading Solution using planningIT's planning features. From the new Master Plan Map, demands are submitted and projects proposed for implementing the IT to support the new organizational unit. The organization can become productive faster. Step 3. Analyze the architecture against best practice blueprints. Analyze the current architecture against a blueprint. If the organizational unit was already in existence, as in a merger situation for example, its current IT support, as documented in its master plan map, can be compared to the blueprint showing the desired target state. The user can easily see discrepancies and initiate activities for transforming the architecture for that organizational unit to the desired state. In our example, this would mean retiring the applications Rep, General Manager, eBank, Financial Times, and FX and MM. Especially distributed IT organizations can benefit by checking operations against a best practice blueprint plan. Thank you for visiting our product tour, Blueprint Planning.